Mother Nature. There's a powerful, all-encompassing force that's surrounding us at all times, giving us life, providing for us everything we need and want and could ever ask for. An endless abundance, endless beauty she gives us, she puts beneath our feet just like the earth we walk on, so effortlessly. To take and give back, to celebrate, to honor Mother Nature. But how wrong we do you. We are one with you, yet in our world we learn to divide. You teach us creativity in all its forms, yet in our world we only learn to succeed through conquer and fight. You give us endless healing, and yet we misuse you, thinking we understand, trying to take the upper hand and ending up destroying you. Ignorantly we think we understand, but really we don't. And all that which we don't understand, we learn to try to control. We fear the dark, and yet we need it to know light. There is no light without dark, no dark without light. And yet we try to create a system where there's false and right, black and white, good and evil, preaching fear instead of love, because we forgot what we are all made of is you. Treating the heart like a box that gets full when we love, when really it grows and deeply longs to embrace all, just like the roots of a tree reaching and stretching miles and miles, and connecting with its surroundings in a peaceful balance. This is how we were created, grateful, but we cease to comprehend and comply with the divine because we deny God's nature in its totality. Yet you give us chance after chance, sweet and softly, so that maybe we'd learn to understand and open our eyes, letting us breathe and harvest more than we need and eat year after year as your heart bleeds. And even when you try to teach us with a raft, a fire, a tornado, a drought, we remain blind. We don't change our ways, and control is the only way we think would make this chaos cease to exist. But we don't see what lies underneath that shallow society. Until when are you supposed to give and we only take, like being ungrateful for your gift, the gift of life? But some of us do see. You suffer and bleed, and so do we. Derived of nature's purity, feeling less and feeling starved as our hunger for power and control grows, while our hearts and morals shrink. Our one-sided worldview, light disguised as dark, disguised as light, masculine and feminine rejecting each other's energies, again ignoring our totality. No balance, denied causality, or completion formed in your divine hands, from dust to flesh to dust, or entitlement, or numbness to oneness, our division, our downfall.